Let's talk ultrasound, because that's what UE Systems is all about. That's what you spent the last 17 years, thinking about. So when is it the right time to use ultrasound technologies? When is it the right time for maintenance and reliability department to pick up an ultrasound device to help them drive better reliability and root cause analysis using ultrasound?
It's always a great time, but I would say if there's people out there who aren't currently doing anything, and you'd be surprised at how many plants and factories that not just myself, but our people go into who aren't currently doing any kind of predictive maintenance or condition-based maintenance. Ultrasound tends to be a really good fit in those kinds of environments because the versatility of ultrasound, the same tool can be used for a multitude of applications. They can use the same tool for air leaks or the same tool for steam traps or bearings or electrical. So, we tend to be really good fits in those kinds of environments.
Give us a few examples of how some of your customers have been extremely successful using ultrasound. And you mentioned a few steam traps and air leaks. Would love to learn more.
I mentioned those two applications specifically because they're the easiest applications to deploy airborne and structure-borne ultrasound on. And they're the two applications that have the quickest return on investment. So I'm talking about, compressed air and gas leak detection and steam trap inspections. A lot of people want to focus solely on energy conservation or sustainability, and we make it easy for them to do that because we can actually quantify the losses from those systems. So we can actually put a dollar amount to how much that air leak is costing, or, we can put a dollar amount to how much that steam trap is costing if it's leaking by or failed open. So just those two applications alone, again, it's a great place for people to start. So if they're, looking to utilize ultrasound in their CBM programs, then they'll typically start with those two applications just because right out of the box, sometimes within a few minutes, you can document enough savings to have more than paid for the cost of the tool.
And I've seen your guys' solution, the handheld device. It's pretty cool.
Thank you. It's come a long way, I'll tell you that.